Welcome to tonight's special on Turu Global. This is your crypto captive. I am not a financial advisor. Before we begin, I would like to state that I currently maintain an investment in Baby Turu NFTs, Turu dollars, and the Turu Global token itself. This video will only be an overview of Turu Global due to the complexity of the project. However, I plan to make more videos in the future to give a more in-depth guide to each module. Special thanks to Maurice, the CEO and board member of Turu Global, for the long hours he spent helping me gather data on the project. And if you want to see some of the data, it kind of looks like this. This is Turu Global. And this, and this. Actually, all of this, and more. This is just a sample of what investing into Turu Global looks like. Imagine Turu Global being more like a parent company. There are many companies below generating revenue for the vault. Anyone who contributes to the ecosystem gets a small token of appreciation in the form of Turu tokens. These Turu tokens entitle you to 33% of the vault's earnings. These earnings are paid out on a monthly basis, currently in the form of USDT. I hope in the future they change these to Turu dollars instead. Another 33% of the funds that enter the vault are used for investing. If the investments go up in value, they sell a portion of it and pay out to investors. These vault funds are also used to back Turu dollars, which can over time be cashed out by the remaining third of the income. Currently, they are waiting 1 year before Turu dollars can be cashed out. I'm sure at this point you will be able to decide what currency you would like to cash out in. Turu dollars are paid to those who make an early investment in Turu Global. So now, the real question, will my Turu tokens be the next Mars money? I personally believe that in the future markets, Turu will do amazing. Currently, the max monthly payout on Turu tokens is 12.5%. Turu Global will be paying the max percentage for a minimum of 3 more months, while a majority of those funds have been made in just the first month and a half. Amazing gains there. However, let's be sure to do all our own homework before we go all in. Turu tokens have no cap. For as long as they need them, they will mint them. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. They plan to use the tokens for incentivization, which could stimulate the economy. It appears as if they have a current cap of 1.25 million per month, which will be distributed between all modules. Anything unused will be burned. Turu tokens are not listed as of November 20, 2021, but upon reaching 1 million tokens, they plan to list on Just Money Exchange. But wait a minute, where does the vault get all its money again? Here's Baby Turu, where they make and sell NFTs. A portion of the profits are shared with the vault. While we are on the subject of Baby Turu NFTs, these are just a couple of the single mints, and by a couple I mean 5 of the single mints, and these are some of the multi-mints which help feed into the Baby Turu economy. The single mints are going between 12,000 being the lowest, 69 being the highest. This one currently is going for 2,000, but that's the minimum bid. By the end of it, it'll probably be somewhere close to mid 10,000 range. Baby Turus also had a blind mint. They minted 60 at the price of 2,000, and we are waiting for the auctions for the multi-mint. I just realized I haven't been putting the currency behind all those thousands. It's in TRX. Here's TronNetwork.store, where you can buy merchandise. Again, another portion makes its way to the vault. Don't forget to buy your apparel with crypto. They sell shirts, hats, mugs, all sorts of stuff. They like to make partnerships with people on the Tron network. This includes BitTorrent, Craftly, Just Money, Sun Token, Tron, etc., etc., etc. I'm not going to name them all. You can go to any one of these, like Just Money, and it will bring you to the merch that they sell for Just Money, and you can purchase any of this with crypto or credit cards, your standard stuff. Also, a portion of the profits go to these projects to help support the projects. Here it states they run nodes and pools for multiple chains. They also plan to become a super representative for Tron, which poses significant yields. They continue to grow in more areas as well. They have multiple successful modules, and even when they had one failed module that bit into early investors, they never stopped working to help return the funds to the investors. This brings a whole new meaning to trust. With all the rug pull projects and scams crypto has to offer, Turu Global's board, prior to being Turu Global, decided to do everything in their power to help the investors. Most other projects just quit and start something new. This is a big reason I have faith in Turu Global's team to deliver, and I'm sure they will. Thanks for spending the time to watch the video. If you liked the content, I would appreciate a like and subscribe, but no pressure. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible.